When things do not proceed as per plan, the project is considered to be facing problems. This can happen for a large number of reasons. Whether the project is small or large in scope, short duration or long duration, small budget or big budget, issues come up all the time. In order to manage the issues, an issue log can be used. Whenever something unexpected happens on the project manager or any project team member can add that issue to the issue log and then track it there until it is resolved or reaches some other conclusion. The benefit of recording and tracking in a central location, like the issue log, is that nothing will fall through the cracks. A recorded issue will not be forgotten. It will be managed, investigated, and resolved. It may also be abandoned or cancelled if it no longer remains an issue. An issue log is created when the execution of the project starts. So that will be the direct and manage project work process where this log is created. However, it will be maintained and updated throughout the project. Issues will be recorded as they arise, investigated at an appropriate time, but usually as soon as possible, and they will be brought to a final resolution or otherwise to an end. The issue log can be prepared in a spreadsheet format, or it could be something maintained in a software or web application. There could be a lot of information maintained and updated for each recorded issue, but there are few that are expected to be captured. So let us look at the key ones. Issue ID. Each issue should be assigned a unique ID, identification. It makes it easy for everyone to refer to the issue and eliminate confusion around which issue is being addressed. An ID once assigned to an issue should not be reused or should never be changed. If the issue was cancelled or eliminated, the ID is not reassigned. Actually, for cancelled or eliminated issues, the information should be left in the log. Description. A brief description of what is the issue. If there is more information or output or documents being referred to, then those should be pointed out in the record. So if the reader needs to check out, they know which documents is the one they need to read. Status. Assigning a status to each issue helps in ensuring that active issues can be readily identified and worked on. The shorter status list could be identifying status as open or closed. However, it is common practice to use several other statuses. For example, registered, assigned, resolved, postponed, cancelled, abandoned, and so on. Owner. The name of the person who has been assigned to investigate the issue and identify the resolution. It is better to identify the person by name than just by role. Writing down developer does not specify which developer when there are 5 of them working on the project. Originator. Who identified the issue? If the owner, the one who is working to resolve the issue, needs more information, they can contact the originator who had identified the issue. Priority. Not every issue is important, so it is a good idea to prioritize issues. For example, low, medium, high, critical. A critical issue needs to be resolved now as it is stopping the project from proceeding. A high issue is creating a problem and should be worked on unless there is a critical issue. A medium issue is not that important, though it is affecting the project's progress. A minor issue has a very little impact, so at some point in the project's life cycle, it can be worked on. Then target resolution date. The stakeholders can be kept updated of the resolution date by tracking when the issue is expected to be resolved. It also creates a time limit for the owner to try to resolve the issue within that time frame. Solution. Interim ideas, suggestions can be captured here, but definitely the final solution can be recorded. So these were some key pieces of information that should be recorded on an issue log.